which is character. I have specified a $sign and age. So here I am passing a values also. So that's why data lines is used to create a data set by passing names and observation in program. So if you see the real SAS environment, so here I am creating one data set using a data line statement. So I'm creating one data set called internal, and I'm passing the variable values programmatically. So here my variables are name, which is character, specified by $, age, and gender, character variable. And if you see, there is a one more statement called informat statement. So informat statement to specify the informat to read the variables. So if I submit this program, I'll get internal file. It contains 3 variables and 2 observations. So if you see the program here, I have mentioned 3 variables in input statement and 2 observations I'm passing into data line statement. So that's the reason this data set contains 2 observations and 2 variables. Coming to the presentation. Some of other procedures or statements related to the importing external file, those are in file, there are proc import, libname, SQL, pass-through facility, and SAS access, which shall be discussed on regular classes. Merge statement. It joins observation from 2 or more SAS datasets into single observation, which means you can create a dataset from many datasets. So you can join more than one datasets together and you'll get information from different sources. There's 2 types of merging, one-to-one merge and match merge. One-to-one merge. To common variables from several datasets where there is a one-to-one correlation between the observation in each of the datasets. So which means in 2 datasets, if you have a one common variable present in both datasets and it has a one-to-one correlation between observation and observation, it calls one-to-one merging. Before merging a 2 dataset, it should be sort by a common variables by using by statement. So example of the one-to-one merge, if you see in here, there is a 2 dataset called personal and business. In personal and business, we have a one common variable called a name. If you see name variable in both datasets, we have a values called JOE, FRED, and SU. If you see these 3 common observations or names, which is also present in a business dataset. So there is a correlation between a name variable. So my requirement is to create one dataset which contains all information which is present in personal and business. If you see, personal and business has 1, 2, 3, 4 variable information, so that the output dataset should be created with 4 variables called age, eyes, job, and salary from each of the dataset.